Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Bit crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Bit crypto login. In the search results, you'll see the official website of Bit. Here you can see bit.com, so tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Bit crypto platform. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. Use the same email and your password credential that you used to sign up for your account before. If you created your account with your phone number, you can select this mobile option and you can enter your mobile number and your password to log in. If you signed up using your Google account, your Apple account or your Telegram, you can choose accordingly. And there you go. That's how you can log into Bit crypto trading platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.